So, I swore I heard someone downstairs. I'm not entirely sure. So I'm just gonna... I need some company, so you guys are my company, kind of. I mean, I know you're not really here, but it gives me a reason to talk. I'm using my selfie stick, so I'm just gonna extend it out. Oh, a little bit. Put it back in a little bit. Okay, there we go. Perfect. I'm getting like really defensive here. Pretty sure I just heard my dog, but she wasn't responding to me earlier, so find out. You guys are stand behind me, keep doing it. Gives me some comfort. Just checking some mirrors that are right in front of me at the bottom of the stairs. It's totally raining outside. Oh crap, I forgot my holy creeks. I'm going to the living room. Okay, there's my dog. There she is. She's on the couch. Okay, she's here. I'm cool. Okay, sorry this lighting's crap. Okay, good girl. Good girl. Okay, good girl. That's Lily. Okay. Okay. Okay, walk into the kitchen now. With my box of cereal out. I'm like ready to swing this at any moment. I don't even care if my phone flies out. Ooh, I discovered a warm spot on my floor. My floor heat is on. I don't want to move. I should probably empty the dishwasher. Sorry, I'm just relaying all my thoughts that run through my head as I search my house. Okay. I didn't see any cars in the driveway. I looked out my front door window before I walked over here. Okay, I don't see anything in the basement. Do you see anything? I don't see anything. Okay. This is terrifying, actually. Oh, my basement creeps me out sometimes. Okay. Yeah, there's like no one in the driveway. Just staring at my dining room window. I don't see anyone in the dining room. Oh, it's just the rain. I was like, what was that? I'm gonna... I don't think anyone's over here. I'm just not even gonna check the garage, because that's scaring me. Okay, you guys are gonna stay at the garage. Like so. Okay, I'm gonna walk this way. Backwards. Okay, you guys still staring at the garage? Okay, good. Ooh, pass by. Okay, now you're gonna stare at the basement. Okay. Alright. Back towards the garage a little bit, because then we can get the basement kind of in there. Okay. And turn back towards me now. Okay. Okay. So we're ready to swing this. Okay. I'm like crab stepping on a bit. I gotta walk towards this way. So you guys are gonna stare this way. Okay. 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 Oh boy. Okay. 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 Say bye to Lily. Okay. I'm counting on you. Oops! I just hit the selfie stick. I'm counting on you, Lily. I'm counting on you, but you better bark if there's someone in here. Counting on you. She's my alarm system. Okay, we're gonna stare at me, because I'm gonna walk upstairs, so you guys are gonna stare behind me. Can't really see anything through the door, so I'm just okay. Alright. I think we're all good here. Okay, I So good. I'm just gonna back into my room. Running into the wall. And as soon as we are clear, close the door. Okay, and then back up towards the bed a bit. And sit down. Okay. Oh, I was actually slightly terrified. I legit thought I heard someone in the house, and that scared the crap out of me. Yeah, oh my god. Oh, my heart is beating really fast. Okay. Alright, well, that's a random video for you, but, you know, gave me something to do. Alright, I'm gonna go back to cleaning out my closet now. That was what I was in the middle of before I thought I heard someone. So, yeah. Bye!